Hello and welcome back. For those of you who watched my last video, if not, be sure to check that out as well. This is going to be more of a condensed version since the first one explains how these templates work. For those of you who have already purchased my icon template, I do have another one to introduce that will be a great addition to any pack that you create. This is my hand-drawn floral widget template. You can include these in your pack so that your customers can have that option as well. I'm just going to quickly demo it for you, but it works the same way as the icon template. So I'm pricing this template at $8, and in my last video I gave away a code for $10 off the icon template for the first 100 buyers. Well, I still haven't reached 100 buyers for the iPhone pack, so here's what I'm going to do. If you haven't bought that yet, I'm going to give you a coupon code for $15 off. That way you can still get $10 off the icon template and essentially get this widget template half off. If you have any questions, just comment them down below, and please subscribe if you want a heads up whenever I release a new product. You'll be hearing from me soon. Bye bye.